Toshiba USB flash drive 16GB high-speed USB 3.0. Flash drive in very good quality, as you can see here, very nice quality, and memory stick pendrive. Capacity as you want: 16GB, 80GB, 42GB, 64GB, and quantity as you want as well. But finally, when I order these keys, I can say just that is reliable key, function, reliable. I am very satisfied with this key. For this price, what you can buy is very good. Also, speed is very nice, and I think that link below is very reliable for you, and you can buy these keys if you want. Of course, the speed corresponds to the description, so don't forget to subscribe for next new video, and see you later. Bye. Yes, and I'm sorry, I forget. If you will buy this key, don't forget to use him. Okay? Bye.